Today I will start with preparing my soup. Here is my potatoes. And there are the peelings. Hello. And I'm going to get ready now to do the broccoli and the carrots. Here are my potatoes I put in there in my Versa cooker. I just added a little bit of mixed spices. I add just a little bit of jerk chicken spices and some onions, and here we go. Next, my carrots are getting ready for the pot. 2 large carrots, yeah, 2 large ones. Okay. And now here are my carrots, preparing them to put into the pot. And you see, of course, the peelings are there. Next up is the broccoli. You'll notice I'm using some large ones, so that is why I make so much big soup. If you could buy a broccoli and you buy a small one and then you buy 2 carrots, don't make sense. So you may as well buy the big ones and put them in there, and whatever size it comes up with, I have enough to enjoy, and I give it some to my friends. So here we go. I have the broccoli here in a bowl. You notice I that and cut it up in these pieces. And now I get on to put a little bit of asparagus. Okay, just a few of them, not too many. There. And then I will put them later, because if you put them too quick, then they become brown. Some people like to taste the freshness of the fruit, of the vegetables. So I put them late, and also the tomatoes. And there's the asparagus. Not too much of it. And I just have to throw away these pieces or save them for the birds. Now the tomatoes. Just 3 large ones, and that should be enough to put in there, because tomatoes are sort of like sour. So you don't want your soup to be tasting that sour, because you taste the sourness and the lemony or whatever. So I'll probably add a little bit of lemon juice. That'll make it a little sour, and then let's see what happens there. The potatoes and everything make it a little bit sweet anyway, so. You can also see my white peas that I added also, because I add them first so that I cook them, because sometimes if you don't cook the peas early, they will be too hard to eat. So just a few, like 2 tablespoons of white peas. Yep, and that will do it. It's now over an hour, and now I have added the broccoli and the tomato, because you don't want to add them too early, because the broccoli will turn brown, and some people don't like it when it's brown, but they don't realize all the ingredients is in the water. Okay, so when you buy them or steam them, all the ingredients goes into the water, so no need to think about getting it brown or not. That's what happens. So, and anyways, it's good to cook it out a little bit anyway. So, all right, here we go. And now, after an hour and a half, I finally get the final solution. I don't know. Let me see if it's hot. Okay, let's see. There we go. There we go. This is my friends and my sister are going to enjoy today. Yep, there you have it. Wow, it's hot. Now, here are the soups I prepared now. I'm going to bring them now for well, I have more than enough, so, of course I'm going to share with my friends. But sometimes when I bring it, probably think I went and buy them for some reason, People think you buy them, But if it tastes as good as if you just bought it, well, why? Well, that's okay, So, yeah, here's my soups. And these are for my sister. And the other 4, well, I'll bring to mom and whatever, and maybe a couple of my friends who always know I have them. I call them, and they're going to the where we go. They will get some. And yes, the one and one for me. You don't think I'm going to share all of my friends are not me. So it makes about 8 to 10 sometimes. So I will have one right now, and I think I have 2 more for myself, and maybe 1 or 2 more to share with my friends.